Alrighty, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about what's happening with Jasmy. If you like these Jasmy updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the market, you're seeing a little bit of 50-50, some coins down quite a bit, 8 to 9%. And at the same time, you're seeing, majority of the market still in the green. So 50-50 depending on what altcoin you're holding. And of course, if you're diversified, which you should be, I'm sure your portfolio is kind of balanced out. But if we're looking at Jasmy, it's one of the very few coins that is up right now. Over the last 24 hours, up 2.4%, with the price currently sitting at about 2.484 cents. So about almost 2.5 cents pretty much. And if you're looking at it in all three comparatives, whether you count your Ethereum, Bitcoin, or USD, it's up in all three comparatives. So obviously, as mentioned, in USD about 3% and about 5% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. But now if you're looking at market cap, about $1.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $97.8 million. So great stuff in a grand scheme of things. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, Jasmy right now is sitting at some very critical price levels, and I'll share exactly what is happening. So, starting off with dominance index, of course, the dominance index actually did go lower compared to yesterday. And at the same time, the price of Bitcoin also went lower. So I know a lot of newcomers probably are scratching their head. So, if both things go down, why are altcoins doing good? So that means, money is flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. And, that can be seen right now. Some coins are definitely feeling the love. And, Jasmy is one of them. But Bitcoin still not in the safe zone, as I've said to you guys before. Bitcoin still has a chance to retest $53,000, and I believe even 50K could be in the books, as long as we're below the 60K mark, especially below the 23.6 where we're literally sitting at as of now. So pay very close attention to Bitcoin. And as of now, Bitcoin is not out of the woods. As you guys know, I'm giving myself about the 64 to 65K confirmation zone before I get excited. But if we're looking at Jasmy right now, Jasmy is finding itself exactly where it was on July the 6th. You can see we're literally sitting exactly at that level. Obviously, some resistance at that range, so you should not be surprised at the fact that Jasmy is finding a little bit of a hard time retesting some of these other price points around that 2.6 cents, and of course most importantly around the 2.76 cents mark. Obviously quite a bit of resistance coming in its way, but I'm really liking this recovery that it's showing. So let's kind of zoom in and take a look at what's happening. So if you want to put this into perspective, if you picked up Jasmy around the 1.927 cents, which again did not last too long, but if you had some buy orders placed in around here and you got lucky, let me know in the comments down below. You are up right now about 30%. And this pattern is very similar for a lot of coins across the board. That initial dip that occurred due to Bitcoin flash crash impacted the broader market. Jasmy is no exception, and that created this massive wick. Again, this was a significant move towards the downside, but these prices, like I said, did not last too long. But if you got lucky, let me know down below, and I'm sure you guys are happy at this point because you are up instantly 30% on Jasmy. But I'm liking what I'm seeing. Obviously it's facing a little bit of resistance, and if you're noticing the trading volume, it is on the lower end. But the plus point on Jasmy is that it has the hype factor right now, and in addition to the hype factor, they have obviously their tokenomics got much better. As you guys know, I was not a big fan of Jasmy last cycle, and even to this day, you guys know I keep it 100% realistic. I still think they need to touch more and reach more milestones from their roadmap before the broader market can get excited. Of course, the Moon Boys are getting excited. Early comers that were picking up Jasmy pretty much throughout the bear market are getting excited, but it has a lot to prove for itself. But definitely the tokenomics got much better because let's face it, pretty much since this coin came out, it just got slaughtered by the whales and obviously the VCs that actually just dumped on the market and this coin went down quite a bit. But circulation supply got much better, and of course, based off of that, new roadmap. The Japanese connection. Obviously, those factors bring in a lot of hype in terms of speculation. People are speculating that Jasmy could be something big, but it has a lot to prove right now. But if it's able to reach all their milestones and the targets they have set for themselves, then great. But the website needs a lot of work. I've said that to you guys before. I don't know what's taking them so long to update the website. So if you know someone at Jasmy, tell them, guys, update the website. The website is outdated, needs a lot of work. But nonetheless, a lot of people are, speculating on Jasmy to, reach some price targets that, again, no one is expecting. And let's face it, guys, no one expected Jasmy to reach 4.4 cents, let alone 2 cents. So, it has come a long way. Hype factor is definitely there for itself. In a bull market, that's pretty much what you need. And obviously, a lot of people talking about it, team delivering. And again, this is why in a bull market, it's so easy for these projects to succeed. But with that being said, keep an eye out on the team progress, what they're doing. But as far as the price is concerned, price is doing quite well. That's no secret. We do need to break out of this key resistance where we're kind of finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of. Then pretty much the next target is the 2.846 cents. That's still the next target that I'm aiming for the price of Jasmy. So let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.